Hey guy, how's it going after that action you just had? You have a good day?
Thank you, Marie. I need to get him some more pants to go with his new shirts. Should he wear his shorts tomorrow? This might be too big on him, because this is 3 to 6.
Open it.
It's
Open
6
it.
months.
Open it to see how wide it is.
He won't wear this today. This is for Florida. I'm going to put it away.
Put it away.
He can wear this tomorrow.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, there's a big yawn. Oh, look at that.
What are these pajamas?
Say hi, Marie.
Oh my
Hello.
God.
Ryan's back from work. Derek had a good day. Look at that. He's cute. Uh-oh. What?
Is
Getting
this too
tired.
small for him now?